water and its roles. Ajirne bheshajam vari, जीर्णे वारी बलप्रदम, भोजने चामृतम वारी, भोजनांते विषप्रदम. Ajirne bheshajam vari. So all of them, what is common here? Let's see that first. So it is all vari, 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 vari. Vari is water. So there are four different roles the water plays, and this is all about food. So ajirne, jirne is tattered. That means broken into smaller pieces. Ajirne is not tattered. So the digestion process is basically breaking the food that we have chewed or not chewed but swallowed. So whatever goes in the stomach is being broken down by the stomach acids. So if it doesn't break down enough, so that means our digestion is not correct. That is ajirna. So that state is indigestion, basically, ajirna. So when you have the situation of ajirna, then water is bheshajam, water is like medicine, which means you should stop eating solid food. You should start taking more of water intake till your indigestion is over. It's also giving some rest to the stomach. It's a very well practiced, very well followed practice from centuries. And the first thing you should do when you have a stomach problem is to reduce the solid food intake and take some water and come down to very simple foods, not too many things. Don't eat a lot of variety. Right? So ajirne bheshajam vari. So water acts like medicine when you have indigestion. Jirne vari balapradam. So jirna, that means digestion has happened. In that state, after digestion has happened, vari, drinking water, will give you strength. So that is balapradam, which means after having eaten a full meal, you should not drink water for about half an hour or 1 hour and then have a little bit of water. Bhojane chamritam vari. And during eating, during the food eating, it is like amritam. Now here it means to have some sip of water. It does not mean you just drink a whole glass or a whole bottle, just a sip of water. So sometimes, when you're eating some non-liquid stuff, it's all dry, then it doesn't taste also very good. So just a sip of water brings out the taste as well. And bhojanante vishapradam. And if you do it right after the end of the meal, that means just had your lunch, and right after that you drink one full glass of water, or actually any soft drink or whatever you're drinking, too much of water. Coke also is pretty much water, Coke, Pepsi, or any of the soft drinks. It's a lot of water. So if you eat right after bhojana, then it is negative in results. It's not poison, but it is negative in result. And if you keep doing it regularly as a habit, you will digestive fires or the digestive acids that are supposed to work on the food will get diluted by the one whole glass of water. So you should not drink water immediately after food. So ajirne bheshajam vari, jirne vari balapradam, bhojane chamritam vari, bhojanante vishapradam. So water, when taken in indigestion, it's like a medicine. It's taken after food is fully digested, it gives you strength. And if you're sipping while eating, it enhances the taste. And if you drink right after the food, then it deters the digestion.